Hi, once again, it's Mike from Tech My Money. In this video, we're unboxing the TASCAM FR-AV2, a compact and advanced field recorder built for professionals in video and audio production. Right out of the box, this recorder impresses with its rugged yet lightweight design. I've mounted it on my camera's hot shoe and paired it with a pencil microphone to showcase its versatility. The FR-AV2 supports 32-bit float recording with dual ADCs, delivering exceptional sound quality even in the most dynamic recording environments. It features two XLR TRS combo inputs, powered by TASCAM's Ultra-HDDA preamps, offering low noise and high gain. Timecode sync is a standout feature here, with precise in and out and wireless options for seamless multi-camera workflows. You can also use the FR-AV2 as a USB audio interface, adding flexibility for studio and field use. With support for SDXC cards up to 512 GB, phantom power, autosave, and optional Bluetooth monitoring, this recorder packs everything you need for reliable, high-quality audio. And what you're hearing right now is recorded with the FR-AV2, so you can experience its audio quality firsthand. Stay tuned for more tests and insights on this powerhouse recorder. Once again, it's Mike from Tech My Money. Thanks for watching.